Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our analysis of Nifty 50. So, Nifty 50 yesterday was under quite a lot of pressure with the monetary policy coming in from RBI, and it has been under constant pressure from the side of the mothership US markets because of the expected Fed rate hikes, despite different commentaries going on regarding slowing down the inflation rate, achieving the terminal rate and whatnot. The data still indicates that they are growing at a quite a good speed, and that is why the inflation will continue. And since the inflation will continue, the Feds will have to hike rates. Accordingly, even our regulatory body, which is RBI, will have to act in according to our inflation rates, which are actually slowing down. So good news for us. But in any case, we had they had a meeting yesterday, due to which in which a rate hike of 35 bips was announced, and that is why markets were under a lot of selling pressure. And as expected, we saw market coming downwards. When the markets opened, right, here is this is a 15-minute chart, and when the markets opened, it looked like that it would be a the initial downside. The next few minutes, it looked like it will be a upwards market, but no. Finally, the rate policy was announced around 10:30, between 10:30 and 11, and thereafter market started going down. The 18,600 levels were breached, and where it started accumulating there, but there was some support there was some resistance at this level, but finally it went down and closed at 1850 550. uh, just in the last 15 minutes, last candle, uh, it started a bit somewhat recovery, a little bit of recovery, to go upstairs, start going upstairs, but very minimal, very minuscule. Very hard to say if it will stay here only or it will consolidate. It is actually slowly consolidating, right? A small support is getting formed. I'll draw it for you, right? A small support is getting formed now. Let's see if it holds. Yeah, I'll extend it a bit. And next resistance, next support that we see is at 18, again 18,450, 18 between 1830 and 18,450. It's not good to be very precise. That is the next supply zone. That is the next supply zone. It will be visible on an hourly chart. Let me go to an hourly chart. Yeah, you see, this is the next supply zone between 18,300, 1850, 18,450, 18,430 and 18,450. We expect Nifty to take support at these levels, and then it might decide to bounce back again. So as long as it is above 18,430 and 18,450, we are still comfortable that there is some upside, and this is only selling. This selling pressure is only transitionary, right? And once we recover, the the Nifty and Sensex, they both should start going upwards, right? Let's even go to a daily chart and see how's the situation looking like. Yeah, the same. It is the same. But this will be the most crucial support levels. That is 18,100. Right? If the Nifty goes to this level or below it, then it's a problem. Then the pattern, this upward pattern, would have been broken. Otherwise, this was the first when this uprise started, right? When it started traveling upstairs, this was the first dip, first dip here. This is the second dip. It's still at a higher high and higher low from the first dip, and this is the just observe my cursor. This would be the third dip, and it should go upstairs from here again. But we'll have to wait and watch. Let's go to a monthly chart and see how's the situation looking like. Yeah, even if you see this chart, for this chart, you know, uh, the this upward journey started from here in March 2020, continued till September 21, and then it started coming down. This was the first dip that formed at in June 2022, and now it's still going up. There is no the dip has not been formed, right? Rather, it has broken the previous high, which was at 18,590, right? If I'm not wrong, yeah, it was at 18,590. It's already been, or 18,000. We know it was at 18,600. This is just a chart playing its trick, right? So the that has been crossed, right? The chart pattern is still looking good, still looking strong. This should continue upstairs, but we'll have to wait and watch how this behaves, how the Nifty behaves when it resumes its upward journey again. I expect the shockers due to this inflationary, due to rate hikes by the RBI, the MCD poll results yesterday, and Gujarat and the Himachal poll results today. All these shockers will be slowly absorbed, and then Nifty will start moving upstairs, right? All right, guys, thank you for joining. Have a good day.